watching out for you. This is Storm Team 8.
If you were watching Daybreak this morning, Terry DeBoer and I had team coverage for you on the chance for severe weather this afternoon, and we were mentioning mid to late afternoon looked like the best chance for that, at least for it to start and to fire up, and that still looks really good to me with some of the latest computer model information that has come in over the course of the last 4 to 5 hours. Storm Track Live radar right now showing dry conditions across southwest lower Michigan. So at the current moment, you are just fine. But if you're heading out and leaving the house for a while, go ahead and bring that umbrella with you because you may need it. Notice some storms that have fired through Kansas now pushing their way into Missouri. I think this is going to become much more active this afternoon and into this evening. We've got the atmosphere that is just ripe for thunderstorm development. So just like we've been all weekend long for the Monday time frame, here we are. Still in the slight risk area for severe weather. You see this happen quite a bit through the spring and summer, and this actually comes from the Storm Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma, near Oklahoma City. They put this out every day, in fact, a couple times per day, on where there's an enhanced chance for some of those thunderstorms to develop. And of course, we are smack dab in the middle of it today. In this orange color, that is a moderate risk. Now, in terms of what we're looking at for severe weather, I think this is going to be anytime after about 2 o'clock this afternoon. Our biggest threats would be some damaging winds as well as some hail an inch in diameter or larger. Farther to the southwest, this is where that tornado threat is much higher, and the threat doesn't end today. In fact, we could see those thunderstorms continue tonight and into the daytime hours tomorrow. Here's the day 2. So this is the Tuesday severe weather outlook, and then by Wednesday, it gets a little bit tough here to call. The forecast quite complicated, but looks like we may just miss the severe weather chances on Wednesday as it pushes to our south. Of course, we'll be keeping a close eye on that as we head through the next couple of days and monitoring what happens hour by hour as well. Currently, here's how it looks in Grand Rapids. Live Skycam from Grand Valley State University has a little bit of movement to it. That's because of the wind. No rain out there, though. We have partly cloudy skies. And here in Jenison, live view from Jenison High School, we've got our wind measurement, our anemometer there really flying around. We've got some winds gusting to 20 to 30 miles an hour at times this afternoon. So really our focus is on that chance for severe thunderstorms, not just today, but tomorrow as well. Always helps to be ahead of the game and have a game plan ahead of time just in case. Our biggest threats here, of course, lightning all the time, but those higher winds and hail, and that best chance coming after 2 p.m. today. 82 degrees in Grand Rapids. I mentioned the atmosphere was ripe, a lot of heat to work with. When you add in the moisture, we're actually talking about a heat index today. Feels like 90 degrees right now in Holland. Now, this is not at the lakeshore. This is the airport about 5 miles inland. But you get the drift that it's feeling pretty sticky out there. This is the term we say, the air you can wear. And it's moving around a bit, too. Winds out of the south, 10 to 15 miles an hour. Some gusts have been as high as 20 or 30 so far this morning. So here's the 24-hour forecast. Now, I started at noon, and notice this particular computer model, I think this is one of the earliest ones, was already trying to see some showers and storms develop. Obviously, it's a little bit too early with that, but I wanted you to see the idea of the storms popping up and then trying to push their way across the area as we head towards 6 p.m. Temps will be warm. Of course, if you get a shower, you'll get a little bit of that rain-cooled air, but otherwise warm and humid. Look at this, another round possible at midnight. So, folks, this is going to be a longer duration event with several waves of showers and thunderstorms possible. Temps tonight only fall into the upper 60s, and then tomorrow, another chance for some of those showers and storms. Now, I'll remind you, we are in that slight risk area for severe weather on Tuesday as well. Wednesday's a tough call. We'll say showers and storms for now. We may be just far enough north that we avoid that severe weather threat. Cooler temps move in Thursday, and we'll clear out the rain just in time. It's like the treat in the forecast. You know, you save the best for last. Memorial Day weekend, it is looking dry. We should see quite a bit of sunshine, but temps will be a little bit cooler than they have been, especially if you're planning to head anywhere near a lakeshore. It'll be cooler.